Well, hello everybody. It's Lucy's day with her KitNip Box. And she's in a good mood, so I thought we better quick do it. So I opened it ahead of time without her seeing it, so that she can get her way into the box. Makes her feel like she's opening it like it's Christmas. Ooh, what is it, Lou? So this one is called Thank You. So it says thank you. And they've got descriptions of each toy and how much they typically cost. Now, we opt not to get the little treats because Lucy's body is atemporal. And she has kidney problems, so she can't have odd things. Just her special food. Where you going, hon? It's her special kidney food. And now we find out she has high blood pressure. So she may have to go on medication. She goes back on Tuesday to get the blood pressure checked again. I mean, what, can't we just go into like CVS and use one of those machines and stick her little arm in it? I mean, how do they take blood pressure on a cat? You know, I'll find out when we go Tuesday. Come on, Lou. She's over here now. No, she doesn't need toys, does she? Come on, get the box open. Here, let Mama help. Let Mama help. Want Mama help? Come on. Oh, Lou. What's over there, Lou? Come on. No, she can't act totally how I want her to act. Get something out. She's scratching. Ooh, what's that? What's that? Come on, get something out so I can tell what it is. Yeah, you don't need to get in it and use it for a litter box, that's for sure. Well, Lucy had her checkup last week, and she weighs a little over 7 pounds. You'd never know it looking at her because she has so much hair. Oh, she likes that. Okay, she's got one out. Oh, yeah, get it, Lou, get it. Oh, here it comes. That's a cute little hat. Isn't that cute? I thought, when I saw that, I thought, was she going to want me to exchange it for one that fits? Uh-oh, here we go. What you going to do? Get in the box and lay in it? Now, if you remember, last month's box was really disappointing. It had been all beat up, I guess, by the post office or somebody. And let me tell you, KitNip responded to me immediately. I mean, I didn't even contact them. I just posted, on my video about it. And one of the gals who works there watches the videos. And she responded to me right away. Said they'd replace it and everything. But, I just thought, oh, nah. No point in replacing it. It'll just be more toys else she isn't using. What you think, Lou? Well, you've gotten 2 out of the box. You want Mama to come down and help? Oh, one of the things has feathers. They like to pull feathers. Oh, she's shooting them. Don't put the feathers in your mouth. Lucy. Oh. I'm going to get on the floor. Of course, I won't be able to get back up, but I'll get on the floor with her. Ooh. What's we got here? Yep, she's going after the feathers. A lot of times I just remove the feathers because I don't want her swallowing them. What is that, hon? Well, I'll go over what this is. Okay. This little hat is, let's see. There's the hat one. It just says, a down under. It's a little hat card. That's all it says on it. It's saying that it's not a child's toy. And let's see that other one in the back there. That was called Fairy Bread Cat Toy, an Aussie treat for your special cat. She loves playing with them in the box. Then also in there is a crocodile cat toy. Pull out the crocodile, Lou, so they can see it. And then there's a kitty mite toy. That's 100% catnip filled, which is what she's probably getting high on now. Yeah, that's it. All of these toys average between $5 and $7. So, yeah, I think it's a good deal. She's been getting it now probably for a year. I'm really glad she still likes to play because she is 8.5. Oh, see, there it is. There's the... lip balm. That's the kitty mite. So it's like dynamite. What? Well, she's doing better this month, huh, guys? So there must have been something wrong with that other box. It had a smell on it she didn't like. A few days after it'd been hanging around here, though, she kind of played with some of them a little bit. So that's why another reason why I didn't feel right having them send me another box. Here, you want my to get the stick? This is the one that's got the feathers on it. Oh, why don't you pull out the one under your foot? That's the crocodile one. Let's see, that toy one. Where's the... Here's the card on that. Oh, it's got little koala bears on it. This is supposed to be like a koala thing. What's it called? A koala tail wand. Furry material and feathers encourage play. You know, that could be a cute bookmark. Just cut off this little top part. I'm gonna do that. What do you think, Lou? Now we'll sneak this out while she's not looking. Here's the little crocodile. Remember Crocodile Dundee? Now here's playing with the hat. Oh, yeah, get the crocodile. You want Mama to play, don't you? Don't ya? How can people say they don't like cats, that they have no personality and they're so aloof? We don't find it that way, and we've had many cats. They've been so entertaining, we can't imagine our life not having at least one. Well, we do. When we get them, we just let them be themselves. And, you know, sometimes it takes a couple of years, but they gradually come around to showing their real personality. And they're a lot of fun. A lot easier to take care of than a dog. I mean, we love dogs too, but we control ourselves because with our lifestyle right now and traveling we do, it's a lot harder to have a dog or kitties. Someone needs to just come in, make sure their food bowl's full and their water, and scoop out the litter box and leave them alone. We could even leave her probably a weekend by herself and she'd be fine. We haven't done that, but... So what do you think, Lou? Should we wrap this up? What do you think? You happy with this month? I'd say this one's a keeper. Oh, yeah. She's loving it. I hate to stop the video being she's so cooperative. Let me scoop up these cards out of the way. She really likes that one. Dynamite one. I don't know if she realizes this one back here is really full of a lot too. I'll leave the box out for a while today because she'll probably end up getting in it when she gets too stoned here. She'll be in it the rest of the day. Oh, yeah. Oh, she's just rubbing her face on that. Oh, isn't that nice, Lou? What do you want to say to everybody? Nothing. Okay. Okay, well, we're going to wrap this up because we're getting at 10 minutes, and I don't think you want to watch these for real long. So, make your comments below and share, like, subscribe, the usual goodies. And let me know what you guys thought of this box. So, until next month, I hope you're all having a terrific summer, and we'll see you in a few weeks with Lucy, that is. Love y'all. Say bye, Lou. Lou, say bye. Bye. Lou? Bye, everybody.